Welcome to this lesson on credit card number validation using the LUN algorithm. Let's learn how to verify if a credit card number is valid by calculating its check digit. Let's take an example credit card number 54576238982341113. The last digit, 3, is the check digit that we'll verify. Step 1. Starting from the right, excluding the check digit, we'll double every second digit. If doubling results in a two-digit number, we subtract 9 from it. Step 2. Now we'll sum all these digits together. Let's add them up. Step 3. To find the check digit, we look at the ones digit of our sum. If it's 0, the check digit is 0. Otherwise, we subtract it from 10. In our case, we subtract sum underscore digits percent 10 from 10, giving us 10. Sum underscore digits percent 10 if sum underscore digits percent 10 is not equal to 0, else 0, as our calculated check digit. Finally, we compare our calculated check digit of calc underscore check with the actual check digit of number -1. Since they match, this credit card number is valid.